Don't make eggs the old way anymore. Do this next time. Watch. Put 4 eggs in a pot, add water, 2 spoons of vinegar, you know the drill. Boil them for 10 minutes. Those eggs I used first were already bad. I know them well. Then they say I'm wasting food. Let's move to the blender. Add 2 ripe red tomatoes that look like they're from an ad. Blend slightly. We want some chunks for special texture. Next, grab an onion. Dice it super fine like a challenge, as many don't like onion bits. Then get the reddest pepper you have, one that's picture perfect. Chop it finely like the onion and set it all aside. This is where chefs say mise en place and we say ready. Now to the stove. In a pan, add a tablespoon of butter and a bit of oil. We don't want the butter to burn. Add the onion and crushed tomato. Stir and let the onion brown and mix with tomato, making a tasty sauce. This smells like mom's cooking at home, as if she's adding love to the pan. Next, add the pepper and 2 or 3 garlic cloves. Who needs perfume when you've got garlic in the kitchen? Give it a stir so the garlic starts releasing its flavor. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. If you like it a lot, add a lot. To each their own. Stir again and let it cook for another minute on low heat. Now back to the eggs, which are already cooked. Take them out of the pot, and here's a little trick I picked up. Put the eggs in a bowl with ice-cold water and ice. Beat them well, and the shell will peel off effortlessly like magic. Do it gently, we don't want to break the eggs. See how the shell comes off almost on its own, then cut them in half. This helps them absorb the sauce's flavor. Back to the stove. As you see, the mix is perfect now, just as we want it. Place eggs yolk down to soak up all that flavor. Now for a surprise. Don't forget the star touch. Take 100 grams of mozzarella and grate it well. Sprinkle the grated cheese on the eggs, making a small mound on each. Crown your masterpiece, then cover to melt the cheese just right. By now, your neighbor's wondering, what's cooking over there? Finally, add some parsley or cilantro, whichever you prefer. If you have oregano, add a pinch for that extra aromatic touch. Serve this dish with bread, tortillas, or whatever you like.